I say, yeah, man,
Mm-hmm.
the degeneracy. And I mean, it was
And
bad and not so bad, but no. Oh, 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 oh,
mm-hmm.
oh, it's horrible.
I would say it explode. That's exploded because one, there is remember no, there used to be a balance, people. That's the difference between now and then. There was always degeneracy. That shit never died. That shit never changed. It was always here. But there was a balance. Just like there was light, there's always darkness. In this case, there was degeneracy, and then there was the word, the Bible. You understand me? The shit that regulated the fucker that we were told was okay or normal. You understand it? There was a regulatory body that kept the degeneracy in check. That shit does not exist anymore. Mark you. I understand how them took over America. I still not see how the fuck them took over Jamaica. You understand me, people? And I mean everything will come out of my mouth. The degeneracy has run rampant for so long that people nowadays can't distinguish what the hell is right from what the hell is wrong. And people like me and Doctor are seen as enemies. Hell, I'm surprised if you're seen as evil too, because it's so easy to call names. It's so easy to call names and point and complain and bitch and moan why your life is not how it's supposed to be and how you don't like what you are experiencing and you need life to change for you. You know what I'm saying? You want life to change for you exclusively, you know? This is your show. And again, it grieves me for no say society reach a point where uh, $60. So yeah, life really boiled down to a level of degeneracy where you're not allowed to be truthful to people anymore. You're supposed to allow them to live them dirty life, unchallenged, unquestioned. And when them life come tumbling down around them, they expect you to take the blame for them. For their poor decisions, you're supposed to be comfortable taking blame. For a grown man or a grown woman deciding to fuck them life up, you're supposed to take blame for that. Yeah, I can't do that one though. That one is a hard pill to swallow. You know, no someone know that say, oh, well, life this and life that, but no, no. As much as life
You know what's
is not what
hold on,
it used to
what's
be.
crazy? You know what's crazy? Them are the same
Mm-hmm.
one about they were talking about accountability, But the minute that shit uno
Mm-hmm.
reverse it, come on,
Problem,
they find an next
problem.
reverse with a +2, +4, +4,
Yeah, man.
um,
Problem, man.
+5, come on, all of the, yeah, man.
People know. I'll tell you something. Accountability is not some evil, most people can't take accountability. Because accountability takes self-reflection. Self-reflection, and sometimes self-reflection means admitting, say, I possibly could have been wrong. It's not that, but you see what? Because a man decide and take a joke me make. I say society has deified women so much that when a woman says she's wrong, it's like she's upsetting the culture. Women are never wrong. I'm gonna say that's bullshit. That is bullshit right
No,
there.
feel that about me? And the fact that we men
Mm-hmm.
celebrate when a woman admits she's wrong. That shit
Mm-hmm.
pisses me off.
Sir,
We shouldn't
sir,
just celebrate that.
well, I know you know piss me off, you know piss me off. You reason with a girl, and I talk to her good and she like the vibe, she like the flow, she like the energy, you feel me? And yeah, talk to her and a guy step up to her and like a real man, you just step back and make boss to shoot him shot. And she had tell boss the parameters of the things that him have to do to get in touch or get involved with her. And I'm like, wow, this is so messed up. I mean, it took me literally 10 minutes and you already plan to bring back your damn room already. But this unfortunate good soccer. I'm sorry to say it that way, but it is what it is. Good soccer.
Yep.
Not the kind of soccer. Not the kind of soccer where you suck and then it makes you feel good one way. It makes you feel good the other way because what?
Money.
This man exactly. This man pocket is going to be bled. And not in a good way. But they look for me, right? Man who don't have $1 in his pocket. But me about for rock fear world from now till my back get tired. Drink water, come back and stammer again. And what? Me not pay a dime, but what? Bossy cross the aisle. I looking at my wallet fee. I've spent the last 644 or $3,000 a month. Impress a bitch. Literally a bitch. People have this misconception say guys don't try help nerds answer for bullshit. Enough time them see what I go on. Oi, you have man who know say like me say that this cuckold thing is not normal, yo. This thing is starting I'm not there about a long time, but goddamn son, quite prevalent.
All of a sudden now it's cool to call men cocks.
There's nothing right. There's nothing acceptable about no say a woman is being ravished by other men. Shit, someone even goes for goes for as giant in on the fuckery. The battery.
Yep.
Eh, what the hell no. Hell no, that shit
And then
can't not.
and then go turn on and then go turn and call the girl or make that make sense.
I don't understand that myself either. I never understood that. It's also like the reverse of the girl who did with the country bicycle, the town bicycle. No, this man is or this man fucked three friend of him already. Why do you think you're going to be the special one? Hmm? This man clad three friend and fuck five enemy them. Does this man seem like he has any allegiance to anybody? Does this man seem like he gives a fuck, right, anytime near, whatever? Hmm? That man don't care. Just like anybody else, just come and get him time and push. Again, the generosity and depravity is becoming rampant. I know mother and daughter who one you first start. He first start out fuck the mother. I mean start fuck the daughter. You hear me just say? They end up fuck the two of them. I think they either them catch on or them figure it out. But again, they don't care. So I'm like,
And then
wow, wow. Mother
and
and
then
daughter get
yeah,
the same cocky. And the guy come in and about you to come in, no questions asked. He's coming, walling seat. So look at this way. Whichever one in the house get fucked first. That's all it boils down to know. Doesn't matter who it is. That's it. I'm like, wow.
you see nothing wrong with it. Oh bitch.
Sir, but I'm on to I said mother and daughter is indulging in this shit, fam. It's not like the daughter and what the mother indulging too. These are the same woman. When man a yard hear how much man run through that, including the waste man there we may describe. How the mother
Mm-hmm.
expect a man of value. Me not say man of value. I'm a decent man. Him not a great man, a decent man. Find out say So that you they used to fuck you first and then you fuck your daughter. And then you fuck the twin at the same house and the twin well aware. There's no in hell that man can respect you. I'm not care about the one say. I care for the one simple or two simple them will believe say. If them put a counter argument, it immediately nullify what me I say. No, sir. Whether you want to believe that or not, your argument still don't mean shit. Men judge women and men judge men. Sorry. If this bothers you, I don't know if I tell you. Because relationships are not easy. And anybody who say they left someone because they're bored, leave the people and children alone, please. You left somebody child because you were bored, leave the people and children alone. Don't date no fucking body. If you stay by your fucking self, leave the people and pitney alone, please. Thank you. And I mean that from the bottom of my fucking heart. Leave the people and children the fuck alone, yo. Go heal your unfucking heal traumatized Ross. You hear me? Sort out your fucked up self first. You look no way. You're another human being, and I mean that sincerely. Both men and women. You understand me? This and by the way, this whole notion say the best way to get over someone is to get under someone. Bullshit. And the whole say, once you fall out of the saddle, you must get back up in there. That's a bullshit. I want to. You fall. Acknowledge just that you did fall. Assess the situation and know if it makes sense to go back and try with this animal where we literally throw you off. It's okay to count your losses, no people. It's okay to try and feel. It's okay to feel. Our culture is so competitive. When I tell people offer truly work together, people take it the wrong way. You're trying to disrupt me and yeah, try to turn me against this and like most of them don't even know when I fight for. Have you ever interested in question three-quarter people them, who have the strongest opinion them about shit with them know absolutely nothing about? Like government, for example. Three-quarter people jump up and draw green and orange and them gone down the road. And them a sing and them a whine them and they say your question. You understand what the physical budget are gonna do for you for next year? You understand where this and this all these intricate big words that are using are affecting you in a negative way. But because them know so you fucking stupid and spend 5 minutes to look up what the fuck that bastard just said. And I laugh and dance that this fucker is your friend and he really is not. I'm sorry for those who took offense to that last part, but it's the truth though. It's the truth.
Yep.
Most of them want people for friend or no. I don't want friend every bomber ass club body. Everybody must be your fucking friend. Everybody, no way. Ain't that's a life walk. You have to be selective with the way first off. Three-quarter of the government said most of them never dare challenge it. That night part of big red flag. Doesn't matter who your leader is. And this was one of the main backbone for say society is going down here. And when them rock star up the politician them, this was to me one of the wickedest things over to black people, especially in Jamaica. When put the politician them like them a superstar. When they're really public servants. Yes, I said it. They're all public servants, including the Prime Minister, believe it or not. The reason why they're public servants, ladies and gentlemen, because you voted them in. It's for the public to put him in that position, or he serves the public. He wasn't born into power. He's no monarch. He inherit Jamaica. He was voted in by people who he persuaded that he would do the job as best as he possibly can to benefit the better of Jamaica and its people. Again, people, one have to pay attention to half of the shit. One of sit down and jump up and down. Most of them not gonna do that. Nope. Nope. No. People want you for this easy, shit for easy now. I'm gonna join that one day. Easy is why the world in the shape with you know. Every year we try to make life easier, make people fatter, make people sicker. I compared a video from the 1940s to now.
Mhm.
You people I'm saying? There's nothing at the end of the video in the 1940s that people nowadays don't consume. Them say shit. Let's go further. People in the 1940s consumed way more red meat than where society has say cause all these traumatic effects. And everybody in the 1940s, for the most part, were slim, skinny, in shape people. But they consume more carbs, more beer, more red meat than we do now. But why? The simplest thing you eat is sort of like balloon now. Why? Most people don't think about these shits. You feel me? Most people just living my life. 1940s, no doctor. You know how long that? And the video show everybody from black to white. Little little big little girl, big woman, all them skinny. All of them skinny. Barbecue and them things that exist. I don't like about barbecue, never barbecue. People are barbecuing this as well. They're shifting in how things are do. Yeah.
Rough.
Yeah.
Even the word, rough and even the word for you, man. It's a word and it probably hasn't been discovered.
I'll say this. Under the divine order in its truest form. Man, you say you want a good girl, try to understand what you look for. Don't think with your little head. Think with your big head and not your heart. You understand? Think with your head, not your heart. Men have never been normal, perfect realm in the domain of feelings. We tend to try to rationalize our feelings with logic. So that in itself is also a huge problem. I don't like how people approaching life. It rubs me the wrong way because I say where life can be or where life should be. I can't believe in 2024, doctor, we're having these same conversations. People are talking about canceling old rappers. The lyrics that them did from in the 90s and early 2000s. I'm like, wow.
Oh, you mean when you mean the fact that them a try, you talk about that? I saw something so stupid on Facebook that I couldn't even laugh at it. So
Mm.
apparently, the original Snow White.
Mm.
Which one? Which one? Old cartoon name with the Prince of the No, My Girl and the Seven Dwarfs. What's your name again, man?
Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Snow White. Okay. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
apparently, oh, we need to cancel the 25 year 25 whichever amount of years. The one of the oldest Disney ass cartoons because
Exactly.
ki- well I know kissing without permission is so wrong. I'm like,
What?
have are you people so bored? Are you people
Hold on.
annoyed? You know, brother, I want to know the funniest thing, brother. Hold on, I turn on my camera, please. Well, I'm sure you see my face when I say this. I turn up my brightness too.
Mm-hmm.
The comment section destroyed them. You see a brother post and
Mm-hmm.
come to them and say, your mother or your father, whichever one of them came first, should have you slapped on the ground and remain there. I was like, damn.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm saying, are we really trying to cancel a cartoon that wasn't even about the true love's kiss? It was so much.
Mm-hmm.
Are we really trying to cancel good story writing now? I'm gonna say, brother, say, we shouldn't be surprised because this is exactly what Disney themselves want. I'm saying, there you go. Y'all understand now. They
There
don't
you go.
care. They never did.
There you go.
Because
There you go.
if they did, nobody couldn't put no work agenda to them movie them. But we all know so that's where them little moolah and them little devil money be. We all know this. Let's
Of
not play
course.
ignorant.
There you go. But yeah, and
Imagine.
the fact say, as much as this and keep going on, that as much as a lot of these corporations, are lose profit or revenue, they're still holding on. That's saying most of this shit don't know, man. Most places in America, the spies losing money. For no say, for years, this thing will not push. I run people from, people are
Oh,
against
oh,
it, and yet you're still here.
well, I know. So the main, I guess I can call protagonist for Madame Web, according to her, the reason why the film bombed was because of the internet keyboard cliche warriors who don't get out often. I was like, there was not a single interesting thing about your idiotic movie. The movie done so till it can't does no more. I watch
Mm.
horrible movies for entertainment. Take the disaster film 2012. That shit is some of the most entertaining shit I've ever seen for a disaster film. No make no sense. It's
Mm-hmm.
entertaining. I can rewatch that shit with no regrets. But when you sit down and watch, all right, let me show you how these people don't understand. Madam, Madam Web is so intricate to the Spider-Man universe. It's literally
Mm-hmm.
the creation of the Spider-Verse itself, the lore behind why Spider-Man needs to exist. So when you come to all look on this for Bradshaw, why is it that Disney love promote kids in their movies so much? Are they trying to tell us something here? That when I have anything against children acting, but it seems so frequent with their bombed movies these days. I mean, I don't notice that.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Thor Love and Thunder, Madam Web,
Mm.
um, I
All we need is love. I'm
with
like,
Captain Marvel, with
what? Even the great Thor was like, all we need is love. I'm like, all you need is love. I'm like, what the fuck?
all right, all right. Well,
That's
all
why
right.
they
You see,
need
after
war.
several rewatches, but I know. You see, after several rewatches of that, I have decided to give the comedy tour a pass for one reason only.
Mm-hmm.
I can't expect tour to be the same as before because really and truly. The
Mm-hmm.
man has everyone he cared about. So there's one thing that horrible movie can take credit for is that they got the using humor to battle depression curve. I will even give a pass for Thor's girlfriend being so broken. You wanna know why? Because she not a sense to begin with. She's not a superhero. So they have to have some deus ex machina in the movie to exist anyway. But you know what?
Mm-hmm.
I will never forget the most intricate villain that Thor has ever faced was copy pasted and slapped to be comedic relief. Thor the God Slayer, the man who took two alternate versions and the greatest version of Thor to beat was defeated by a bunch of kids.
Mm. Yeah, things like that.
Ah,
Myself, and shit like that when we just lose interest in certain things, you feel me? Because you're gonna tell people say this ending makes more sense. Hmm? This ending is so anticlimactic. But yet, no. It's sad to call Loki wasted potential by Marvel on Marvel side. If I make a Loki movie and redeem the general, but they won't. But again, why wouldn't they? They give Maleficent and give a bunch of these bad guys a movie for redeem themselves. In Cruella de Vil get a movie humanizing her.
I mean, the sad thing about it, Bradshaw, is that
Mm-hmm.
all of Disney's greatest hits were done without trying too hard. It had a
Yeah,
simple concept, a tug that the human emotion the right way, hit all the right
mm-hmm.
beats. Every single movie that they tried to put in women empowerment, um, yeah, genders, same
Mm-hmm.
sex, all that nonsense, movie
Mm-hmm.
bomb. Then they're going to come out and complain and ask why won't people like this? It's for the same reason why people don't like
Mm-hmm.
people like Ice Spice.
Yeah, I watch
They
a
have
video. Yeah, I watch a video today about shake her ass and look upon her face while she had to work. I was like, wow. That the guy pointed out himself. This seemed like somebody who twerk because I'm contractually obligated to twerk.
yeah,
Like it's like a man who there with a hoe. And every time you fuck her, after a while, she start make nice. It's like, yo, why is that make nice? Like, well, after you been with the amount of man I've been with, like that whole excitement. And girls have told me this before. When you've been with the amount of dudes they've encountered, it normally shut off their peer bonding sectors. It's not because them don't want to. It's just they can't. They can't. They're not the drive, the desire to want to be one with another man. And it's all fuck up to say that way, but it's the truth. Mm.
rough. Not gonna lie, you know, I'll continue to say this every time it's the Ice Spice or people like Sexy Red. Um, it just
I feel
always it
I
go
feel more sorry
the
for Ice
stone.
Spice more than Sexy Red. Sexy Red way worse than her, but may I tell you this? Feel sorry for Ice Spice, yo. As much as she do a bag of demon shit now and she part of some demon fuckery. I can tell you, based off of the latest video, what them show of her, I perform, female seem done. Not done like she tired. She's still fine and all, but mentally she tapped out. At this point, Ice Spice is a hoe. I mean, like I sell a pussy hoe. I don't know what kind of hoe that, but in terms of like she enjoys this, it's no longer there because she forced them right in her contract now. Like the last time she went on stage, a little red dress, and it was literally riding up on chair. Wow. I shake one time, so if you pull it down, I'm like, wow. I say, yeah, no way. There ain't no way nobody, the person put a tampon and never noticed why when she walk or go toward the stage, that shit is riding up. So,
Hold on, Maurice, Maurice thought.
mhm.